Hey, in this video I will show you how to cancel Patreon subscription and stop auto-renew. So, in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser, go to the search bar, type in Patreon login and click on login or sign up link for Patreon. After you click on this link, you'll be on your Patreon's homepage where you'll have to simply click on the settings icon, that is this gear icon. When you click settings, it will take you to this page, that is basics page. Here, click on membership option, that is the fourth option in the settings. Now, when you click membership, it will show up all the memberships that you will have. Simply click view details for any membership and click cancel membership. Click confirm cancellation and it will instantly cancel it. Now, you can click save and continue, confirm the cancellation to cancel the membership and to stop auto renew immediately. After cancelling, Patreon shows the access end date. You'll keep benefits until the current billing period ends. Important notes: cancelling stops future payments, not the current one. Deleting the Patreon app or Discord access does not cancel billing. And if you subscribe through Apple or Google, you must cancel from the App Store or Play Store subscription. Final tip: always check that the membership status shows cancelled to avoid future charges. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.